this year, more than any other year, demonstrates quite graphically what economic growth means for Jamaicans and why it is important for every single Jamaican.
The Jamaican economy performed above expectations in 2022, averaging growth of 5.2% between January and September. Export earnings rose to $933 million, while the country's net international reserves remained above $4 billion.
At the end of September 2022, total revenues were $40.4 billion above budget, including $35 billion from tax revenue.
There was also this.
There will be no new taxes. This is the 7th consecutive fiscal year.
It really shows that the economy is on a sound footing.
Business and consumer confidence, employment and productivity also performed above projected levels. Global rating agencies took note. On a positive downward trend is inflation, coming out at 9.9% at the end of October. In May, the Jamaica Stock Exchange expanded its reach to Ghana.
A lot is going right with Jamaica.
To drive economic growth, MSMEs were provided with access to credit to encourage startups, innovation and investment.
Never has so much private equity financing been available for small and medium-sized businesses and early-stage companies in Jamaica.
The Development Bank of Jamaica, the DBJ, provided over $3.65 billion to aid business development and COVID-19 recovery efforts. $600 million was used to ease the impact of high petrol costs on public passenger vehicle operators. The DBJ also facilitated grant funding through the Boosting Innovation, Growth and Entrepreneurship Ecosystem Biggie project.
It will really help your business to position itself to grow.
Partnership with the private sector secured a pool of $15 million. And the Exim Bank was on board, providing $100 million to assist small and medium-sized enterprises expand their businesses online.
When we pursue sustainable policies, ultimately the people are better off.
In service to the public, a $7.2 billion social intervention program was put in place. Jamaicans saw a portion of their electricity bills paid off by the state. Support was increased for students on the PATH program, and one-off grants were made to public servants earning $1.5 million or less per year, as well as to NIS and social pensioners. Import duty was lowered on electric vehicles, while rechargeable batteries were exempt from GCT. Facilitating steps to a digital economy, the Bank of Jamaica rolled out its JAMDEX. And the Finance Ministry closed out 2022 on a high note with the signing of wage agreements and settlement under the new compensation structure with public sector workers. The first payment was made in December to employees who have accepted the package.
We have demonstrated this year in no uncertain terms that economic growth matters for every single Jamaican.